refining precious metals from carbonized waste. These are end product. Let's look at the production process on the customer's site. All the production process is smokeless and automatic. Raw material is different kind of electronic wastes. The plastic and other rubbish are disposed of by high-temperature carbonization. The rest are precious metals including gold. This carbonization furnace can not only produce charcoal, but also extract precious metals. This is discharge cooling conveyor. Collect this finished product. The precious metal was obtained after washing and screening. If there's something that can't be charred completely, it needs a secondary combustion. We add an incinerator at the outlet. It still is smokeless during production process. If you have any questions about carbonization, please feel free to contact with us.